Jesus Christ! He's just waving the gun around. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, or welcome for the first time. I'm Xavier. Today we're gonna be watching Monster House. So this is a movie from 2006. Don't know a lot about it, just know a lot of people, a few people I know liked it, and so figured why not for Halloween season. So yeah. So synopsis is a trio of friends sets out to expose the terrors of a vacant neighborhood house, which appears to have a craving for people and a life of its own. Yep. Let's get into it. Monster House. Alright, let's go.
Hello, bees.
Okay.
La la.
Loves her fence and leaves. Oh, on Sky too. Did the Monster House get her? Oh no, okay, she was just not paying attention and went into the grass. Alright.
Get off my lawn! Do you want to be eaten alive?
No.
Get out of here!
Don't leave your bike!
My trike.
What? Awful
Stay
man!
away from my house!
He stole her tricycle. Not cool, man, not cool.
You cannot stay up in your room all day staring at an old man through a telescope.
Yeah, that's not healthy at all.
I'm serious. What was that?
I'm serious.
It sounds funny.
Someone is hitting puberty. Got his spying to do.
I'm not spying.
Yeah. Yes, you are.
Where is DJ? Where's DJ?
You would be so happy if he was under the car, wouldn't you?
Hard to see with the map.
You should be looking out when you're reversing.
He knows that.
Son, you love him.
I don't.
Son.
He knows I love him. Why do I have to roll down the window? We're gonna be. He's had enough kisses.
Aw, cheer up. It's almost Halloween.
What a combination.
Check it out. I got a new ball. Cool.
But can we look at the fact that he almost killed Chowder?
I'm playing basketball.
Yeah, that's playing basketball, alright.
My nose is in my brain. Let me see.
Definitely an in-the-face disgrace. Get it quickly. Get it quickly before he comes out.
Chowder, your ball just landed on Nevercracker's lawn.
Never cracker.
I'll never forget this. Hurry, though.
Next to the push.
Go.
Quickly!
You!
Hurry, get it, and run!
You are dead! You think you could just terrorize my lawn?
No, I'm sorry. No one.
This is my house!
Yeah, we got that.
Why can't you just stay away from her? Oh.
Is he dying? Okay. He killed himself over a ball, man. Is that the key? Oh, that's the key to the house, I bet. Alright, let's rock with this. I like that shot.
I'm a murderer.
No, you're not a murderer.
When it's an accident, they call it manslaughter.
Wait, where's this ball?
It's Z.
Z?
Now listen up. I control the TV, the stereo, and the phone. I don't do board games. Gosh, DJ, why'd you break that? Who are they gonna believe? Go to your room.
Manipulative, wow. Imagine that kind of blackmail to a kid. What the hell? Oh wait, did nobody else find it weird that the chimney just started smoking, piping up as soon as he died? Anyway. Okay, it was a dream. But still, the chimney thing. Come on.
Hello?
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick.
The ring is coming from across the road.
A phone call from beyond the grave.
Yeah.
Oh, he's serious. All right, I'll look into it.
Oh!
You.
Tr-
So funny.
That's not funny.
I don't even try. It just happens.
What? Okay. This is a PG movie, so I don't want to use the word to describe what Bones is right now. But yeah, he's one of those.
My dad's at the pharmacy and my mom's at the movies with her personal trainer.
Movie with our personal trainer. Okay.
Very bad. Very, very, very bad. Bad.
The point is that I saw him talking to his house and kissing it. Besides.
You have no respect for women.
What? What does that mean?
Get out.
Why? Prude.
Dude, are you drinking?
What are you looking at? Huh? Never.
Not much is what we're looking at. Dude, don't go over there.
Ah! Never! Snapper! Flipper! Dipper! Ah!
Bad idea.
Oh, awesome kite.
Yeah. Oh, this dude is gonna end up killed. Is he gonna get killed? Yep. Sucks for him, but great for us. Cause he was trash. Not that that means he should die, but you know. Oh well.
Nevercracker's back from the dead.
No way.
It's the house, not him.
They leave the keys in here. You dare me? Cheddar, you're not listening to me.
You're really crazy right now. Have you noticed that? I think you're just freaking out because he killed a guy today. Life goes on.
Yeah, it does.
For you.
But not for Nevercracker.
Come back here, please, Cheddar. Come on.
I don't think that's the best way to do it, but you know, alright.
Cheddar.
I think you should run.
Hey, DJ, who am I? Get off my lawn!
Run? Run? Run, bro, run, run.
Don't look back! I look bad!
See? Should I look back and you look back? Silly.
Bones?
No, Bones is gone, girl. Bones is gone.
Trick or treat. Good school. I got kicked out of there.
I believe that.
Get a head start on life and secure a successful future. You want a successful future?
Yeah.
When a guy with tattoos comes up to the drive-thru, give him his burger, not your phone number.
Good advice.
Thank you for the advice. I'll be sure to make a note of it. But back to business.
Oh, she's persistent. I like her.
Maybe you give me 20, I write a receipt for 30, and you pocket 10. I want 2 extra bags of peanut clusters. 1 bag, and I'll toss in a licorice whip. You're good.
I could tell that. She's gonna be a successful businesswoman in the future. For sure.
We haven't even left this room once. Not even to go to the bathroom. Don't drink that.
Oh my god!
I don't know how to tell you
Your
this.
boyfriend has most likely been eaten alive.
Yeah.
Sherry Clausen.
Who?
Gotta go. Breakfast.
Oh.
Happy Halloween.
It's other girl is Sherry. Alright, cool. Don't do it.
Hello.
She's gonna go up to the house.
Don't go any further. Come here. Yes, over here. Detectable movement.
Yeah, go. Run.
What do we do?
Whoa! Her candy.
What is your problem?
Puberty. Lots and lots of puberty.
Puberty.
You want to tell me what's going on?
Oh yeah, I made the whole puberty thing up.
No, you didn't.
Those are just stupid. I was gonna tear him down and put up some art.
Well, Dad, why don't you kiss my hairy butt?
Hello there. This is Chowder.
Charles to the ladies.
Jenny Bennett. 2-term class president at Westbrook Prep.
Yeah, I got in, but decided not to go.
It's a girls' school.
Which is why I didn't.
I hate Mexican food.
Me too.
Guys, come on.
Is this pee?
Yes.
If it is, that's really gross.
DJ? What are you talking about? That one's your pee.
It's yours.
pee.
May I please speak with Allison?
Really?
Her daughter.
It's his
Thank
pee.
you. Excuse me.
Guys.
Uh-oh.
Didn't see that coming.
I think it's time to call the police.
What are the police gonna do? Also, poor dog. Didn't know what hit it.
I was in the forest wrestling with a bear claw when we got the call.
Not funny, bro. Not funny.
Officer, we have reason to believe that there is a dangerous creature.
Come on, man.
And this is no situation. It's just a couple tater tots hopped up on too many pixie sticks.
I bet you the dead dog would beg to differ.
What was that?
Things get out of hand.
We'll aim for Bigfoot.
Yeah, Jesus Christ. He's just waving the gun around.
Calm down. You make me want to throw up in some tinfoil and eat it.
What?
Possessed house, you say?
Yeah.
Domus Spectibilis.
Yeah, you don't need that many aces. Come on, bro. You don't need that many aces.
You've got to strike at the source of life, the heart.
But houses don't have hearts.
Yes!
Nice.
Ever since Nutcracker died, there's been smoke coming out of that chimney.
So he did notice. Good.
The furnace. The furnace is the heart.
I don't want to steal drugs from my father. I don't want to go inside a monster, and I don't want to die.
I say it's worth a shot.
Yes, I agree. Let's do it.
Of course.
I wanted that one.
You've got to be kidding me.
So fun. Glad you remember the key. The key is gonna play a key part in this key moment of the film. Oh no! Oh no!
So close.
So far.
Littering, loitering, vandalism, vagrancy, and treason. No, not treason.
Pass them to me. Come on.
I will shoot you.
What?
But why?
I am on it.
You're on something, alright.
We are super cops.
Yeah,
Yeah,
condo.
sure. Super cups.
This is like trying to wrangle a puppy. All right. What?
Super Bowl.
That guy is ridiculous.
That is illegal!
I'm coming, buddy!
I thought there was no backup!
I'm getting Judy!
For what? Well, they were helpful.
We'll be alright if we just stay calm.
Wow. Yep, you're not getting out. You gotta, defeat the house.
I bet it thinks we're still in the car.
Yeah,
We wait here and do nothing until it wakes up and eats us.
right. That's the only other option.
At the fire. Got it.
Exactly.
And he ate her.
Ew.
Is the wife the house?
Okay. So, you getting it? I'm getting it.
Don't worry, I have a very light step.
No, you don't. Wrong, wrong. That was the uvula. I think that's what it's called.
Then that must be the uvula.
Yep. Right.
So it's a girl house.
Everyone has a uvula.
Not me.
Yes, you.
No.
Alright, good to go again. Good to go. Are those calls?
Come on, DJ, we don't have time for this.
Yeah, we've got to find a way out of here.
Trust me, it's important. It's important for sure.
Holy moly. He
Ah.
really did eat her. Her whole body is buried in cement.
Yeah, she's part of the house.
Where are you going? Come on.
Bad idea, Chowder.
Ah, gotcha.
Wow.
Oh no.
So it's up to just him alone to solve this. Whoa! Whoa! The uvula, the uvula, uvula, uvula.
The uvula.
Yeah. Is the entire house gonna be dosed?
Gross.
Yeah. Jeez,
At least it's an ambulance.
you can't just walk out in the road like that, man. Is Nevercracker still alive? Oh, he is!
Be gone! Fly!
Of course I'm not dead. Who said I was dead? You'll be dead if you don't scram! Don't you know what day this is?
Yeah, Halloween.
Shingles are all ruffled.
So the people in the ambulance, they don't see this?
The house is her.
Right, like I said.
Clock that T. Clock that T. You didn't kill her, did you?
No, I don't think he did.
I love her so much.
In a cage? What the?
As long as I'm here, I will never let anyone hurt you.
Oh, wow. Okay, damn! Oh,
So, I finished the house,
she killed herself.
but she didn't leave.
Oh, bye, 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 bye. They're gonna blow up the house. What are you doing?
Down! Move it, pork chop!
That's not gonna slow the house. Come on. Yeah, she passed over the house. Oh, over him, sir.
You stay away from those children, Constance!
She said they're gonna blow up or fall into the pit.
There, Bill. Oh, my sweet. Let this be the right thing to do.
It is.
Take this.
Yeah, you gotta do it.
How do you know how to drive this thing?
He doesn't.
I don't.
Yeah.
I need you to get the house down under that crane. Think you can do that?
Piece of cake.
Yeah. Convenient. So I was right. It did go into the pit.
Way to go, Johnny! You did it!
I don't think that's it.
Yay! Yes, look at me.
See, I was right. Still alive, buddy.
Can't do that.
It did. It isn't. No. Quickly, 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 man, quickly. Get out, Chowder, get out. Jump out. Lucky. Run. Run.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
Yeah. I knew she was gonna kiss him.
I kissed a girl.
Yeah. These kids are taking some rough falls, yo. Whoa. Yeah. Got it. Wow. Oh, what are we doing? Love that. Little mustache on you. Help him up, man.
Sorry, Mr. Nebuchadnezzar, about your house, your wife, your housewife.
A new term, a new invention of that term.
Trapped for 45 years. And now,
You're free.
we're free. Thank you, friend!
What happened to Nebuchadnezzar's house?
It turned into a monster, so I blew it up.
Yep, he did.
Trick or treat!
She just took that in stride.
Tricycle.
Hello, Tricycle. I missed you so much. Thank you, mister.
Bye now.
Happy Halloween.
Good luck with the puberty.
You need
Grab
it.
my butt. That's nice, Chowder. Hey, Mr. Nebuchadnezzar!
He got the kiss.
Stay off my lawn. I'm just kidding.
You be okay? Yeah.
No,
Be fine.
it will not. You suck at basketball, bro. Okay, so Bones and the dog and the cops really did get eaten. Damn. Oh! Okay, thanks for clearing that up. Yeah. Oh, sorry, there's more. Dan Harmon, Robert Zemeckis, Steven Spielberg, Steve Buscemi and Nick Cannon. Wow. Maggie Gyllenhaal.
Did we just get...
John Heder. Yes, you did. Oh, Kevin James.
Go out and inspect some candy.
Catherine O'Hara.
Go eat some candy too.
That's bro.
That's a good idea. Okay.
Yeah.
Yummy candy.
Like carrots.
What?
Not so fast, Bones.
Your girl got taken.
Changed. Skull's not like you.
Whatever.
Bones!
And she just went back to oh, bro. Wow. Okay. Okay, so this was Monster House and fun. It did what it was supposed to do. A lot of thrills, a lot of fun. Like I was saying, there was some humor in there. There were some frights, and just a whole lot of doing what it's supposed to do. Like I saw a review on Letterboxd saying that this is like about a new way for a housewife, the term housewife, something like that, and so like this is just like the breaking up of like a 45-year-old 45-year abusive relationship and both right. But yeah, this is it's just a story. So the guy, I'm gonna know him first name. Sorry, Nebuchadnezzar, Mr. Nebuchadnezzar, got with Constance. He was abused and all of that, and okay, I don't want to jump right on this road a little bit, but yeah. So and then she wanted to protect what was hers, and so she tried to scare off the kids, and in that doing that, she fell in the pit, the basement, and cement got poured on her, and she died. And yeah. Okay. What a great way to start the relationship with your house. How your wife became your house, part of your house. So yeah. Anyway, so she like her meanness towards other people and like protecting what was hers and her husband and everything. That translated to the house, and the house became a monster, and it ratcheted up around Halloween time, and so he became like curmudgeonly and everything to protect people from the house. So that's why he was saying like get off the lawn and all that. And I thought he died early in the movie. I was like, oh, but no, it's just a heart attack, but he survived and he got a broken arm. So I'm not sure whichever arm it was, but yeah, interesting little thing there, and like the relationship between Jenny and Chowder and DJ. Imagine that they were like ready to fight over a girl. Come on, bros. Come on, guys. And the two stupid cops, especially the black cop. He was the rookie. He was. Yeah. That's what I just did there. That said it all. What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Oh, but yeah, so. But the cops were like more like comic relief. And Bones was an ass, terrible person, and I'm glad Z left him. But for what name? I'm not sure what name. Whatever the dude. But Skull. Yeah, I'm pretty. He was calling after Bones because he's like whatever, and just walked out, and she's going after him back. You know. She's not heeding her advice that she gave to Jenny. So yeah, but okay. Anyway, but I love that DJ and Charlotte got a new friend in Jenny. So good for them. And also, Mr. Nevercracker, he finally got to live his life, no longer bound by his wife. She's gone. He no longer has to protect her. He no longer has to protect everybody from her. She's just out of the picture, so he can just now move on. He's had 45 years, and he was like at least in his 20s then. So it was like, let's say he's 25, 30 plus 40, that's 70. He's at least in his 60s being kind. Wow. Oh. Late 60s, oh man. Oh. But hey, he might live for a while, so you know he can still. I hope he has insurance, so he can like put his life back together and just live out the last few years of his life. Free in the knowledge that he is free. Sorry, I should just read it. Whatever, I did it. But yeah, so good for them. And DJ got some courage, same to Chowder and everybody. Jenny's a smart cookie. Oh, she's gonna do great things when she gets an adult. She is gonna be. You can see how she handled Z. Oh yeah, and how she handled everybody. Oh yeah, smart one. Oh yeah, she's gonna be good. I worry about that rookie cop. Look out for him. I don't. Whatever. Wow. Anyway, and just overall, this was just fun. Great. The themes is just like overcoming your fears. Also, don't be tied down to like toxic relationships and stuff. And also, have fun. Enjoy. It's Halloween, baby. Trick or treat. Enjoy the candy. Enjoy the fun. Enjoy the good vibes. Don't get bogged down in all that bad stuff. You know? Yeah. I think that's what we're supposed to get out of this movie. Or they're just making a fun movie. I don't think so though. I think with the names attached to it, trying to impart a message just like, know, be you and just try to make it something like scary for the kids and enjoy it for the family, you know? Something you can look back on as an adult if you watch it as a kid and just like, oh yeah. I didn't watch it as a child. I was a teenager when this came out. I also didn't watch it then either. So, but yeah, I see why people liked it slash love it, and yeah, it's a great, nice little. I could see it being a nice little family movie that you just rock into and just enjoy. Yeah, so I'm very fine with my 3.5 out of 5 rating on Letterboxd. A lot of fun reviews about this film on there. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Yeah. Okay, so those are my thoughts. Goodbye.